Question 21, a straightforward solving of an algebraic equation. The technique here is to get the left-hand side on a common denominator and then cross-multiply and solve so that we get everything on the same line. Let's have a go at it. So the common denominator will be the multiplication of our two terms here. So this is x plus 4 and 2 minus 2x. I know I've got a common factor of 2, but I'm going to keep them together just for now. So the routine goes exactly if these two terms were numbers. X plus 4 divides into the bottom line, leaving 2 minus 2x, and this multiplies by the 1, so I get 2 minus 2x here. Plus, that's that plus there. The bottom line of 2 minus 2x goes into the denominator x plus 4 times, and that multiplies by the 3. So I get 3x plus 12. And this is equal to 1. Now we cross multiply and we'll tidy this line up as well. Numbers, 2 plus 12, so this is 14 plus x. And this is equal to these two guys multiplied together, which we might as well do at the same time by the standard routine. And we get 2x. And now the second multiplication gives us negative 8x, the underneath. This gives us 8 plus 8, and this one, negative 2x squared. So all we've got to do is put this all together, make it equal 0, and refactorize. I'm going to push everything onto the left-hand side, and therefore I will get a positive x squared term. So first of all, I start with that 2x squared. Now the x's, I've got a positive x to start with. That's joined by negative 6x, which will become positive, so this turns into positive 7x. Now the numbers, I've got 14, take away 8, so this is 6, and this is equal to 0 now. Everything is on the left-hand side. And this, after a bit of thought, the 6 is going to be 2 times 3, almost certainly. And if we put the 2x here and the x here, you'll see that we'll generate 4x here and 3x there, which will be 7. These, of course, are both positive. So therefore, I get x is equal to negative 2, or x is equal to negative 3 over 2. And those are your two answers.